Hi everyone, my name is Idil. Welcome to my channel. I'm a Turkish YouTuber with nearly 1 million subscribers here in Turkey, and this is my new English channel. On this channel, I'll share with you easy breezy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes, and today we'll be making hummus, one of the most popular Mediterranean dishes ever. Let's start. I've got 400 grams of canned chickpeas here. You can make hummus with cooked chickpeas, but that needs a lot of planning. You gotta soak them overnight, you gotta cook them for nearly 40 minutes. But what I do for silky hummus is that I take their peels off. This might look like tedious work, but it's actually quite easy. It takes like 15-20 minutes, and it will make your hummus so much more silkier. If you have kids, you can ask for your kids' help. It's a great fine gross motor development activity as well. I just take the skins off. And I'm gonna mix it with some tahini, with some spices, lemons. I write down all the ingredients in the description box below, so make sure you check that out as well. Like so. It's very, very easy. So once you got the skins off, I'm just gonna put this in my blender. Tahini is definitely a must. So nearly 2 tablespoons of tahini. I love tahini. It's very wholesome, very delicious. I'm gonna put some olive oil, extra virgin. Half lemon juice is quite enough from a juicy lemon. Three garlics. And some spices. I've got here coriander. I love coriander in hummus. In Turkish we say hummus. Here's some cumin and red pepper flakes, just to enhance that beautiful aroma. Some salt. And I'm just gonna whiz this through my blender. Okay, so you see how, it's done, but it's not as silky as I want it to be. What we can do is we can add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit more, and some water. You can even add that chickpea water out from the can. And this will make it a little bit more moisture, will make it silky, super silky. And it's done. It took about 4 or 5 minutes, but if you have a really strong blender, it can take you less. And now it looks super smooth, super silky. Oh my God, just look at this. So soft. And that's how your hummus should look like. And I'll give it a taste as well. Amazing. So full of flavor, and the good thing with hummus is it only gets better as it waits. So it's very good right now, but if you eat it in 2 hours it will be better. Tomorrow morning it will be even better. So that's ready to go, but now let's decorate it really fast. I've got a pan here with a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm just gonna kind of like fry a couple chickpeas with some red pepper flakes and decorate it with that, and it'll be ready. So here are my chickpeas. Some pepper as well, because I didn't put any in my hummus. Some red pepper flakes. A little bit of salt. Just fry these here, saute them for 2-3 minutes, and then they'll be ready. The chickpeas are ready. They make a wonderful snack, by the way. And some parsley. So there you have it, easy breezy hummus recipe. You can put it on the table in under 10 minutes. It's super smooth, it's very silky, and it's packed with flavors. I do hope you like it. If you make it, if you try it, please leave your comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new recipes each week, so please do subscribe so that you don't miss it out. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.